coconut bomb is.
I'm honestly just hoping for a year without bad. Oh god. I'm not happy. Oh god, it's more. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Granny, hide! Run! Run! Here. Jesus. Oh.
What
The shield came in handy. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Damn.
Why?
What the?
Why? Why is it always mortars?
Oh my.
Please don't be a mortar. I'm honestly just hoping for a year without bad. Oh god. I'm not happy. Oh god, it's mortar. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god! Ah! Yes! Granny, hide! Ah! Run! Ah! Run! Come in here. Jesus. Oh.
What
The shield came in handy. Oh, Jesus Christ. Why?
What the?
Why? Why is it always mortars?
Oh my.
4th year. Oh. We're fine. We're fine. A bit shaken, but we're fine. Jesus Christ. Told you I needed a shield. Oh. You okay? Oh, okay.
Fuck your coconut bomb.
Yeah, that's what happens when you get jealous. Oh. Did you get burnt? Okay, good.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
I think one went behind us.
We're good.
Yep, just startled. Did one go behind us?
They were going all the way around us.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh. Come on, let's. Oh, I think I hurt my leg. I fell at some point trying to run. Hi. Oh. Oh, we need a shelter.
Folks, we had bombs coming all the way around us.
Are you all okay? Yeah. Y'all made the good move leaving.
Yeah,
Oh.
I was trying to say.
Oh.
Are y'all okay?
I think I twisted my leg.
Did y'all get burned at all?
No, the shield came in handy. I think I did end up blocking one.
Yeah, I seen it. I'm like,